So hello, good day everyone. I am Lou Janusitave Espinosa and I'll be leading today's discussion. So before we begin, let's do a quick round of introduction and describe yourself in one word. So who wants to go first?
My name is Raskamira Bara, and if I'm going to describe myself in one word, it would be cheerful.
Cheerful next.
Hello, good day. My name is Juan Carlo Basilisco, and if I'm gonna describe myself in one word, it's good.
Okay, thank you.
Hello everyone, I'm Natalie Lucero and I'm the respondent of this research study.
So thank you for sharing. Now that we know each other a little better, let's have a quick and fun question. You can use your microphone or you can just type your answer in the chat box. So for the first question is when you hear the word math, what comes to your mind? So let's hear from Cheska.
When I hear the word math, the word that comes to my mind is computing formula.
Thank you. Computing formula. Basilisco. Next.
Um, for me, if I when I heard math, it's a very hard subject.
Okay, so a very hard subject. Thank you. And last for Lucero.
I think challenging factors for the students.
Thank you. Challenging factors for the student. For the second question, if you could have one math powers, what would it be?
If I have one math power, it would be a mental calculation to the fact that I can solve anything without using a calculator.
Yung next, Basilisco.
For me, if I have one math power, and it is to be a fast learner in terms of learning math.
And last, for Lucero.
Same at
So
same but
same answer to be a fast learner. So thank you. So for our today's discussion, we're going to talk about how mathematics affects the mental health of STEM students. So math is an important subject that we use in science, technology, and even in our daily life. Math can also negatively impact the mental health when anxiety arises. So let's hear from each one of you your personal opinions about on how mathematics affects the mental health of STEM students. So let's start from Cheska.
In my opinion, one of the reasons of how mathematics affecting students' mental health because of lack of focus in class. The reason why students having a lack of focus in class is because they don't take care of themselves, especially young people today. Most of them don't eat before going to school or are sleep deprived. This affects how our brains process to understand the lesson in class, which is why we sometimes don't understand what's being taught right away. And when students can focus in class, they get stressed out doing assignments or activities because they didn't understand the lesson. This really affects a student's mental health when they're really overwhelmed with stress.
So for Cheska is lack of lack of support. So next, Basilisco.
Based on what I know, math anxiety is one of the main causes. This happens when students feel nervous or pressured to solve math problems. This math anxiety is one of the biggest offenders. It's not always about their actual ability. High expectation might cause stress even skilled math students. A lack of confidence in math in another factor. Students may avoid it or suffer more if they think they're not good at it, which can have impact on their mental health. And finally, the method of use to teach math might also have an impact. Lessons that over quick, too rigid, and boring make students even more uneasy. Therefore, this problem is result of a combination of pressure, personal feelings, and the learning environment.
So thank you for Basilisco is math anxiety. So it can reduce STEM students self confidence. So thank you.
Yes.
And last, Lucero.
I think negative mindset. Why? As a STEM student, based on the experience I analyze, negative behavioral actions that develop in human mindset can lead to challenging factors. in the terms of how they think about their learning, reviewing its difficulty perception, which it will be the way of mental health factors on how they think in their self-learning possibilities, leading to distinguish themselves as have a low ability and skills consideration in learning in these subjects, for will be the conclusion, interpretation of negative impact, so that it can be lead into the boundaries that can get to achieve the professionals they want in STEM.
Okay, so thank you for Lucero is negative mindset. So now that we've learned that math can also affect our mental health, which can reduce our motivation, confidence, and focus. So now let's proceed to the short survey. This will help us to understand how mathematics affects the mental health of STEM students. So here how it works. You'll answer each statement using the scale from 1 to 5. So for number 5 is strongly agree, for number 4 is agree, for number 3 neutral, for number 2 disagree, and for number 1 is strongly agree. So there is no right or wrong answer. So for the first question is my experience in math affects how motivated I feel in other STEM subjects. So, anyone? So, let's hear from Cheska
My answer is number 3.
on number 3. Thank you. So for number 2, I feel nervous during math exams. So let's hear from Basilisco.
For me, my answer is would be 5. That strongly agree.
Okay. Thank you. So for number 3, I feel confident when answering math questions. So let's hear from Lucero.
My answer is disagree. Number two.
Okay, thank you. For number 4, as a STEM student, I enjoy learning in math.
I strongly agree.
Okay, thank you. And for the last question is, when I solve the math problem correctly, I feel more motivated. So let's hear from Basilisco.
My answer would be number 5. Strongly agree.
So thank you. Um, so thank you for sharing your thoughts today. I appreciate your participation and hope we can all find a healthy balance when learning math.